Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we will see the lesson Chuk Chuk. Children, first we will see the learning objectives of the lesson. To enable the students infer meaning of the new words and enhance the vocabulary. To enable the students read and comprehend the story. To enable the students sequence the events of the story. To enable the students remember the concept of common and proper noun. I know you all love toys. Also, you have a collection of toys. Few of them are special, favorite. You might have given name them like Veera, a toy doll, Tom, a toy dog, and Simba, a toy tiger, etc. Can you guess, children? A toy with an engine and many wheels and boxes. Which toy? Yes, you are correct. Toy train. You have travelled many more times by the train. While running, it makes the sound chuk chuk. So, today we will see the story Chuk Chuk. Let us see the rhyme.
Here comes the train, blowing whistle. Here comes the train, blowing whistle. Toot, toot. Here comes the train, blowing whistle. Here comes the train, blowing whistle. Toot, toot. Get into it, only when it stops. Get into it, only when it stops. The God Johnson waves the green flag. The God Johnson waves the green flag. Move aside, move aside. The train starts again. Chuk, chuk, chuk. The train starts again. Chuk, chuk, chuk. The God Johnson waves the green flag. The God Johnson waves the green flag. Move aside, move aside. The train starts again. Chuk, chuk, chuk. The train starts again. Chuk, chuk, chuk.
Children, in this story, toys are the characters. First character is Chuk Chuk, a toy train. Second character is Jumbo, a toy elephant. Third character is Ted, toy bear. Fourth character is Rahul, sun. Fifth character is Mittu, toy parrot. Now let's go to reading. Chuk Chuk was a beautiful red toy train in a toy shop. Children used to look at him and say, "What a beautiful toy train." Chuk Chuk was very happy. One day, a father bought Chuk Chuk for his son, Rahul. Rahul was very happy and hugged his father. He kept Chuk Chuk with his other toys. Which other toys do you think Rahul had? Rahul's toy elephant was Jumbo. Jumbo said, "Welcome, Chuk Chuk." But Chuk Chuk did not reply. Next was Ted, the bear. He said, "Hello, Chuk Chuk." But Chuk Chuk did not reply. When the toys talked and played in the night, Chuk Chuk sat alone in a corner. He did not try to make friends with the other toys. One evening, Rahul's friends came over to play with Chuk Chuk. They took him to the garden and played with him. Rahul accidentally kicked Chuk Chuk. Bing, bang, bong. Chuk Chuk went flying into a bush. He got hurt badly. Rahul waved goodbye to his friends and went inside his home. He forgot about Chuk Chuk. Soon it was dark. Chuk Chuk was alone and scared. Ted said to all the toys, "Chuk Chuk has not come back yet. We must find him." Mithu said, "Why should we find Chuk Chuk? He is not our friend." Ted said, "Mithu, you are right. But he might need help. We must find him." All the toys went to find Chuk Chuk. They called out, "Chuk Chuk, where are you?" They heard a cry coming from the bush. They ran towards the bush and found Chuk Chuk. They pulled him out and brought him back to the Rahul's room. All the toys said lovingly, "Don't worry, Chuk Chuk. We will take care of you." They cleaned and repaired him. Chuk Chuk looked bright and chirpy. Chuk Chuk said, "I'm sorry. I did not talk to all of you. Will you be my friends?" Everyone shouted, "Yes, Chuk Chuk. We will be your friends." So all the toys became good friends and played together. Do you know, children, India's first passenger train was Sahib Sindh Sultan, which ran between Bombay, Boribandar to Thane. Indian Railway is the third largest rail network in the world. Every day, 20 million people travel by the train. When we travel by the train, we do more fun. Train runs over the mountain, plains and river. It runs through day and night. It carries passengers, mails and loads. Now children, I know that you took a ride with your friends by making a train. So once again you have to play. And for that, ask to your family members to play with you by making a train and take a round in your home and enjoy the activity. Children, read the story page number 17, 18 and 19 with your parents at home. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.